How to fix Instagram not posting 20 photos? Let's begin. Initially open the Google Play Store and type Instagram in the search bar at the top. Now click on the update button if available. This will install the latest version. After updating, clear the app cache. To do this, go to your phone settings and scroll down and select apps. Likewise, tap on manage apps and search for Instagram. Next, click on the clear data at the bottom right corner and choose clear cache. This action will clear temporary files that might be causing the glitch. Furthermore, restart a device. Once your phone is turned back on, open Instagram and try to upload the 20 photos again. Finally, you are able to post 20 photos on Instagram, and that's all. I hope this video helped.